Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be doing an opening box on the Zeniko ZF04. Now, they contacted me and asked if I would do a video using this flash, and of course I said I would. And then they also said that they want me to compare it to the Godox, and I'm assuming, based on the size, we'll be comparing it to the IM20 Godox. But the comparison's not today. We're going to do the comparison at a later time. Today I just want to open the box and look at it. It's $29.90 for the flash, so not very expensive. It'll give you up to 372 flashes and a recycle time of between 1/10 and 2.5 seconds. So let's see. Wow, that is that may be the smallest flash I have ever seen. That is so tiny. I did see, from looking at the specs, the one thing that caught my attention was it has two power settings. It has 1/1, which is full power, and then it has half power. And even the little Godox one I showed you has 5 settings on it. So I'm a little concerned about the half and the full, but it is, maybe it is because it's so small that you would want to go to a 1/4 power on this. So we'll go with that until it's actually checked out and ran through some tests. So it is so small. I got it wrapped up in this little plastic for sure. And it'll mount, it's a manual flash, so it'll mount on any of your cameras. So you don't have to buy a Canon brand if you're putting it on a Canon camera or whatever. So anyway, guys, we're going to be checking this out. Again, it's $29.90, and the company did contact us and ask us if we would do a review. So I will leave a link at the bottom. I'll leave a link at the bottom, but I'd hold off until I do the reviews before I purchase anything. We'll try to get the review out very soon, so it won't be a very long video, but I just want to open this up and see. And let's see what we got in. A little more in the box. Let's see what we got. All right, got a little box. What's in here? There's our charger cord. Oh, we got a little case. A little case that says Zeniko on the side. And then our directions. So anyway, guys, quick video today. Just wanted to show you guys what we had. Check it out. It is absolutely so small. Let's see the size difference real quick. Because this Godox is very small too, but it is actually a lot bigger. That is the two of them side by side, so you can see that the Godox is a good bit bigger. So anyway, guys, we'll check it out. We won't know much until we actually put it to the test anyway, so reading about specs and that kind of stuff doesn't really mean anything. I want to get it out in the real world, try it out, see what it does. But again, mini flash, they seem to be pretty popular these days. So I know everybody loves the Godox one. So we will try the Zeniko out and see how it does. It's about $5 cheaper than the Godox one. We'll go from there. Anyway, guys, we're helping you out. Have any questions, leave a note down at the bottom. We'll get back to you. Hit that thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. You guys have a great day. Thank you.